Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is the part 2 video on the topic professional degree which one can pursue after completing 12th or PUC. In my previous video, I have shared details on MBBS, BDS, BHMS, BAMS, BUMS degrees. I recommend you to watch my previous video before starting with this video. To watch my previous video, click on the I at the top. And please don't forget to support me by subscribing to my channel. So let us begin with today's video. Medical Science Part 2. BPT Bachelor of Physiotherapy. Duration 4.5 years including 6-month internship. Bachelor of Physiotherapy is an undergraduate academic course in the field of medical science known as physiotherapy. Physical therapy program provide core skills like manual therapy, therapeutic exercise and applications of electrophysical modalities to prospective students. Eligibility for the course. Student has to pass 12th with minimum 40% marks in physics, chemistry and biology. This course doesn't have any particular entrance exam, but government seats rank list is produced based on PCB scores. Course fee for BPT is Rs 9,000 as per Government of Karnataka, but in private institution it may vary from 25,000 to 1.5 lakhs. Career opportunities are listed and the initial salary will be somewhere between 2 to 4 lakh per annum. Top colleges which offer this course are listed here. BOT Bachelor of Occupational Therapy. Duration 4.5 years including 6-month internship. Bachelor of Occupational Therapy is an undergraduate course designed to produce efficient occupational therapists that can help the physically and mentally challenged people enjoy their life without any hindrance. Eligibility for BOT. Student should have passed 12th having physics, chemistry and biology as main subjects, and he should also have passed English. Entrance exam will be conducted by the colleges which offer this course. Course fee. As per my knowledge, this course is not available in government medical institutes, and in private institutions, course fee ranges from 40,000 to 1.5 lakhs. Career opportunities are listed here and the salary may range between 2 to 6 lakhs per annum. Top colleges offering this course are listed here. Bachelor of Optometry. Duration 4 years including 1 year internship. Bachelor of Optometry is a degree in studies of eyes and its connected organs, diseases of visual system and corrections and medicines. Optometrists are practitioners for primary eye care. Eligibility of the course. Student has to pass 12th or PUC with physics, chemistry and biology or mathematics taken as a subject with minimum 50% marks. There isn't any common entrance test, but few colleges consider their own test and few consider merit based on PCB score. Course fee for Bachelor of Optometry is 6,000 in government colleges like AIIMS Delhi, but in private institution it may vary from 40,000 to 2 lakh rupees. Career opportunities are listed here. Salary may range between 3.5 to 7 lakhs per annum. Top colleges offering this course are listed here. Bachelor of Medical Laboratory Technology. Duration 3 years. Bachelor of Medical Laboratory Technology is a 3-year undergraduate course which offers candidates thorough knowledge about laboratory equipment and laboratory diagnostic procedures. The course is helpful for the students who wish to pursue career in the management of laboratories, advancement in laboratories and instrumentation. Eligibility of the course. Student has to pass 12th and PUC with physics, chemistry and biology or mathematics taken as a subject with minimum 50% mark. There isn't any common entrance test, but seats are provided on the basis of marks obtained in physics, chemistry and biology or mathematics. course fee for BMLT starts around 7,000 and it goes all the way up to 4 lakhs in few top class universities. Career opportunities are listed here and the salary may range between 5 to 12 lakhs per annum. Top colleges offering this course are listed here. DMLT, Diploma in Medical Laboratory Technology. It is a 2-year course. DMLT Medical Laboratory Technology is one of the paramedical courses that is concerned with diagnosis, treatment and prevention of diseases through clinical laboratory tests and other physical tests. Eligibility of the course. Student has passed 12th or BSc with Physics, Chemistry and Biology. There isn't any common entrance test, but merit list is based on marks obtained in PCB. It is to be noted that there are few colleges which provide this course conducting necessary entrance test on the basis of 10th. Course fee for DMLT starts around 2,000 and it goes up to 90,000 in top colleges. Career opportunities are listed here and the salary may range between Rs 2 to 3.5 lakhs per annum. Top colleges offering this course are listed here. I hope this video was informative. Here we have completed part 2 and we still have one part remaining in the field of medical science. So to get notified on the new video uploads, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video.